Alright, good afternoon. My name is James Arredondo, and today my project was to make an alarm system using Raspberry Pi. So, go ahead. So the goal with this project was to become familiar with the Raspberry Pi, as well as to create the alarm system, which was the goal of the project itself. And as you can see, I put in some pictures of Raspberry Pi, the breadboard, and the LED lights were pretty much the major components. Apart from that, the biggest problem I had was having the button to reset the alarm. So the way this worked was the alarm itself had to be based off a distance. So the further you were, all the LED lights would be turned on. The closer you get, they'd slowly be shutting off. And once you got to a certain proximity within it, the alarm would be set off. So they'd flash really fast, and the button itself would be what would reset it, and that's what I had issues figuring out how to reset it. The solution was to add in another loop inside there, which was just for the button, and using the break command, because before that, when I would press the button, it would continue to still do what it was previously doing, so it wouldn't stop it and return the system back to the way it was before. And if I had more time with the project, I would honestly like to make it a little less messy. As you can see from the picture I took, there's wires all over the place, and it's kind of a little bit more compacted there. I would have liked to make it a lot cleaner looking, so that it just looked a little bit more organized, and that would be what I would really like to enjoy. Apart from this, I would like to show you a demo of it over here, and as you can see, it's all the LED lights right now are currently green, which means they're on. My code is on the left, and then the numbers on the right is the actual distance that it's measuring something at the moment. It's being displayed in centimeters. Right here, I believe now it has my hand. So from the furthest distance at about 60 at the moment, all of the green lights are on. And as I start getting closer, now that I'm at 40, the first light is shut down. So the odd one will shut down for every 10 centimeters. And then once I get under 10, all the lights start flashing really rapidly, which was the goal for it. And as you can see, the numbers stopped. By pressing the button, it holds still for a moment, and it's back to the initial part. So if I went ahead and moved my hand again, it starts reading it once again. And that concludes my presentation for this project.
Okay. Does anyone have any questions for him? All right, let's give him a round of applause.